First of all, before we get into the video, let's appreciate my new hair color. Nope, this is not a wig. This is my new hair color. This is platinum blonde. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and as the title mentions, today I'm going to do another unboxing video for you guys. This is my recent doll that I've got. Let's do the unboxing video. So, ta-da! This is the box, and I just arrived yesterday. I can't wait to show you guys. And let's open the box. So don't mind that if I look in that side because my monitor is there. So this is my dolls. This is a BMR doll. I've got 3 of them. You can see. So let's open this bubble wrap, and I'm going to reveal for you guys. I hope guys you can see the doll. This is all BMR can doll, means all boys. Oh my god, this is so gorgeous! I can't wait to open this. And this the second one. And the last one, this one I already have the unboxing video up on my channel. I put the links somewhere here or here, I don't know. So this is the third doll. So today I'm going to show you these 3 dolls. Again, I can't remember the names, the face mold names, but I've got these 3 dolls. I love this one the most. We call them Mak-Ayam, okay? Mak-Ayam. So I'm going to skip this one because I already made the video for him. So let's open these 2. Alright, here we go. Woo! Wow! Oops. Don't worry guys, I will do the close-up later. Ta-da! Yay! Love it! Love it! So this is a doll that I've got. Okay, I'm going to show you this, even though I already have the video. So this is them, and today I'm just giving you a close-up because I'm going to do a separate video for these guys. So first of all, this one, this is his close-up. I really love the makeup though. And the shoes, oh it's sickening. And it comes with these glasses, and this is the art look like. And this one, oh gosh, Every time I see the you know, the pants, it reminds me to James Charles. But it's so cool though. I love the face mold, the hair, and the outfit is outstanding. Shoes, and this one. So guys, I think that's it for today's video. Hope you guys like it. If you like it, you can thumbs up this video, share to your friends or whatever. And I'm so glad that now I still have 700 plus my subscribers. So I'm very thankful. And if you like, you can subscribe to this channel. So that's it for today. Bye.